looky here. This is why that wouldn't come on. So to remove this piece right here, you gotta basically take this panel off the side right here. That's gonna be in there. You gotta take this off, and it's a screw right here holding this assembly in. Sitting over here wondering what was going on. Thought I was going crazy for a minute. And that screw right there, which was holding this assembly in. Only screw in here that's like that. Now it should just slide right out of place. Slide right out. Let me put this back on the stand so I can do it with 2 hands. As y'all can see, I got the middle air vents out. I have the driver's side air vent out. The crazy part was the passenger air vent. This assembly does not come out. Like, no matter what you do, you have to go deep inside to take it loose. And basically, it was a screw. You had to take this side panel off, and there's a screw right here. It look like a screw like this. Basically it. It goes in here, unscrew it, blah blah blah, take it out. And this panel, which you got these clips right here. The clip slide in those slots right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you see each slot right, like let's say slot right here, and up under there you got like a slot here and a slot there. This is how that panel slides in. Once it slides in place, you're clamping it in and you put it out. As you can see, that screw goes right there to hold this fascia piece in. When you pull that fascia piece out, you got it out. Now, as you can see, I got pretty much all my air vents, fascias taken out. The next thing I want to take out, just as the interior pieces, I want to take this radio out. So
this is a CountryBoyModz production.
And set this camera up, that way you all can see it, and we're gonna get that.
This is a CountryBoyModz production.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you take out your interior pieces, and that's that. All right, now we're here on the second part of removing our interior pieces. This is for everything in the door. So basically, what we're going to do, that would be a neat idea if I did that, but okay, basically to remove this part here, I already pre-moved it, but like I said, you want to use a plastic one. All I have on me right now is a flathead screwdriver. Like I said, your choice is yours if you want to use something to cover this sharp part, or if you want to use something to cover this sharp part, or anything. But next thing you want to do, it's already pre-removed, so I'm gonna show y'all on the other one. But like this, I'm just gonna show you with it on there, all the way around. As you can see, like basically it clamps right in place. So you're gonna want to start from an open corner, like on this side, and you're gonna want to come behind it. You want to pry it out a little bit. That's gonna pop out. It's gonna be hard in the beginning because it's new, it's never been taken off. So you're gonna come all the way across like this, and like how it popped out right here. And once you get to the corners, you're gonna want to pull it out. It's gonna pop, pop, pop. Gonna sound like it's broken, but then that's how you get that removed. Now, I'm gonna show y'all the full step on this other one on the passenger side. You're repeating the same process all the way across. And if you wanted to get inside to remove like the door handle or anything, there's a screw right there to remove this bracket over the door handle. To get to that, that's coming in another video one day, removing the door panel, because I'm gonna be upgrading the speakers on this unit. I mean, it's not on this unit, but on this Nissan Road. So stay tuned for that video. But let's hop over to the other side and check out the full-fledged of how everything goes and how hard it is. All right, we're here on the passenger side here now. As I was saying before, you gotta make sure you got an open area that you can pull from. And like you can start from this corner, which I recommend starting from this side and working your way over to this side. As you can see, the paint color is beautiful. Like that, I love that black. That black is beautiful. All right, we're gonna start from over here. As you can see, I just popped that side out. Now, what you want to do is go all the way across. You can pull it out. You might not need this, but you might need it. Just pulling it out slowly and gently with a little bit of tug and a little bit of force. Like right now, I might need this to help me get a little leverage out. Like I said, you hear that popping sound? This is just to help the process. As you see those tabs that's in the back, you follow your hand over across, bam. Now basically you're halfway done right now. So you got this bottom corner here left. So you gotta be extra careful. Boom, just like that. the pieces out. You see all these tabs that you gotta be extra careful with. That's lining up all the way across this. All the way across. So let's hop back to the passenger, the rear passenger, and knock that one out too. All right. So basically, we on the rear passenger side. As you can see, like I said before, find the open hole. You find that open gap that you can get to. Like I said, this is my first time taking all this stuff off. So y'all bear with me. Let's see if I can get a better spot. Yeah, let's do it from this side. That's a lot better. Want to make sure you start from this side right here. Let's get this out. Get your finger across. There we go. Now you use this. Come all the way across. Pop back forward towards you. Do the same with the bottom pieces here. Come all the way across. That's it. You don't need this. Pop it out. And looky here. We got this. We got this here just for a safety reason, like to make sure the piece is still on. Still hangs out there. So basically, all we gotta do, loosen this up, or untie it basically, and retie it when we're done. And you got your rear passenger interior piece out. So, you got it out. Let's move to the next side. Alright, back at it again. Like I said, find you the soft side. Whichever good soft point you can get back here. Let's see, I'm gonna try this side. Try to get back up in here. There we go. Now you wanna pry out. Pry it all out. Come all the way across with it.